Let's take a look at how to use Google Assignments in your Schoology course. Teachers, you're going to start in a course and you're going to click on Add Materials. And on the right-hand side, you'll see Google Assignments as an external tool. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're signed in, a pop-up window appears, and this looks very similar to Google Classroom. Go ahead and set your point total, and you'll need a due date. Add a title. Add any instructions the students will need. You can add a rubric. You can create one from scratch right here in the assignment. Or you can reuse a Google rubric that you already have, or you can use a Google Sheet template for a rubric and upload it here as well. Google issues Originality Reports, where it searches all of Google's database for any flags in a document where there might be an instance of plagiarism. You can run one of these reports 5 times per course per year. You can also choose to attach a document. The documents that you attach will automatically make a digital copy for each student. When you're done, click Create. Your Google assignment is now ready for students in your course.